Good YouTube, it's your boy Clout. It is the next morning after that night of receiving colognes. Today is December 14th. My doorbell just rang. Then we got a package. Let's go check it out, see what it is. Alright, YouTube. I thought it was the candidate gooses or one of them. Shit, I was excited as hell, but seems as if we got that hairdryer in, my boy. So, yeah, we about to open this, get into an unboxing for y'all. What's good, y'all boys? We about to get into this unboxing. This is the next morning after them colognes came in. Today is December 14th. The colognes came in, sitting right there on December 13th and shit like that. But yeah, man, we about to get into this unboxing for y'all. And let's go. Yeah. Hopefully all the attachment pieces is in there. Shit like that. Hopefully bubble wrap is open. All the way open. All the way open. So the box is a little bit damaged. Can't trip off that. It's coming from another country and shit. You can see we got the box. We got the Chinese writing there. So leafless hairdryer. So I think somebody said this shit caught on fire, bro. The label upside down. Yeah. It's the box showing the attachments it come with. Shit like that. But if we open it up, let's see from where. Yeah. The picture looks the same though as the Dyson, but let's get into the actual product, the box. So we got the manual that's in Chinese or Mandarin. Yeah. You got the hair dryer right here, the color I ordered. It's in bubble wrap. I'm not gonna lie, for 50 bucks and for the reviews that I was seeing from this vendor, they actually packaged this shit pretty decent, because in a lot of the reviews, it was people saying my box was open, they didn't receive any of the attachments that they had paid for. This was 50 bucks with attachments. But yeah, they were saying shit like that. I do have all five, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got the hair dryer. I think this is the stand that holds it. You just stick it to the wall or some shit like that. That's why this is here. So they actually did me pretty well upon, like, with this item right here. Okay, the hair dryer does say Dyson on it. It does say Dyson right here. Let me get that to focus. And boom. So that's not terrible. This is pretty much how I don't have the real one, but I believe this is how it looks. There is a little like flaky, like it was put together a little bit off on the inside there. I don't know if y'all can see like the ridging and stuff. It's not smooth. But hey, 50 bucks. These are going for like 300 or 330, something like that. I hope this shit just doesn't start smoking or anything. I am gonna try to cut it on. I'm actually gonna do that now. Cut the heater off. Cut the heater off. Yeah, this is how it came packaged. It has like a sectional tray for the hairdryer set right there. Then all the 5 attachments came with it. came with the manual, but the manual was in Chinese. It did come bubble wrapped. The box and the actual hairdryer came bubble wrapped. Here's the cord length and stuff. So I'm about to plug this joint up right next to me and cut it on. Holy shit, that joint. Let me just. Oh, hell nah, bro. This shit smells like. That smell like air. But it smell like, I don't know. I'm not gonna cap. If you don't, okay, it's getting pretty warm. I feel like if you don't put the heat at max, the product isn't necessarily terrible, bro. I am kind of nervous to put the heat on max because I don't want to blow up my fucking house, bro. But as you can see, for a fucking blow dryer, bro, I've never seen a blow dryer do make some shit fly like that, bro. So, that's max speed, though. What I originally had it at. This is second. This is one. Let me turn it back up. You can hear it. 3. And that's a decent distance from where I am. You feel me? I know it was not focused, so you couldn't really tell, but yeah. Blow that shit out the water. Yeah. This is on max heat, actually. I didn't know it was on max heat already. I don't see any smoke yet or flames. This is on 2. I can feel the cool down in the air. This is way less. Honestly, like, I could use it on 1 and 1 and still get like a great amount of air pressure. So yeah. This product, I'd give it I don't know what the real one is. I don't know, like this piece, like this whole entire hairdryer feels pretty light. I don't know if it feels cheap from the bottom half, but this part up here feels decently, like it feels like there's some decent material in there. You feel me? Like that's where all the weight is coming from. And I feel like without me even being able to tell what the real one is capable of, this could be like a 6 or a 7 out of 10 for me. I'm just glad that I cut it on, as you can see. And it cut on, it started off with full power and full heat. And that shit didn't catch on fire or start smoking like I've seen some of the reviews on these shits. Even from my seller though, some of the reviews said like they cut it on once and tried it and then it worked, and then they cut it on the second time and it didn't work. But this works for sure. It's max. But cut the heat back up just to make sure it doesn't catch on smoke or nothing. I can't give any products to anybody if this shit catching on fire or smoking. Cause that could fuck up everything. And I just don't want to, that's just bad karma and bad energy. I feel this shit like on my foot right here. Like my foot going crazy. But no, I don't see any smoke. I don't smell anything. Then to cut it off, you just switch that down. I'm not sure exactly what the blue button does. I'm pretty sure something with cool air. But guys, overall, on here and shit, you can see a little bit. Like if you look at the Y, if it focuses, a little bit fuck ups on the font and the lettering. So selling this as real, no, right? That's a no. One, it didn't come with the exact same box. Two, it is. I don't know what the real one looks like, so I really can't give a good comparison. But it does come with all 5 of the attachments, bro. I honestly could sell this as real and get away with it. I would probably just take it out the box and put it in a Ziploc bag or something, like a giant Ziploc bag. The product works, bro. It doesn't smell like smoke. It's not overheating. Excuse me. It's not overheating. It doesn't smell like smoke. Like I said, I probably wouldn't sell this as real just because, like, you feel me? There's a little bit of things that are off with this. But I can say that the product works and I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. And I still feel that I can at least double my money and get this going for $100. But yeah, I got the product. The only problem is, how do I list it? I think I'm gonna list it with it just sitting in this tray right here like that. Put the bubble wrap back on at least this piece. But I don't want to give anyone this box, bro. Because they're gonna be like, what the hell? But other than that, guys, I know there's a way to clean it. You gotta like unscrew this piece right here after you unplug it and clean it out. But this, like I said, I give it probably a 6.5 out of 10 for a hairdryer. You feel me? You just seen what that shit did, bro. Just blew my bubble wrap and packaging all over the place. But it comes with all the attachments. The product works. It's not smoking. It's not too hot. You feel me? Obviously, it's a hairdryer, so it's gonna have a little bit of warmth. But I can hold my finger here and not feel like it's burning or anything. Like I said, the only few little things was the lettering on the Dyson, the ridges on the inside of there between the colors changing right there. And that's pretty much it. Everything else was good. The power was strong as hell, as y'all saw. The heat heated up once you went to max, and it cooled back down once you cooled it down. Product turns on, turns off. Yeah, I said it's pretty legit, bro. For $50, as long as this shit not smoking and catching on fire, I would definitely, if I was a woman, I would not be paying $400 for this. I'd definitely just go cop the $50 one. Cause it's doing the same exact thing. I mean, if this vendor just got the packaging right, they could upcharge another $40, maybe just work on the lettering a little bit and then smoothing out that shit, and they could upcharge like another 40, $50 per item, and this would be the real deal. Like I said, I give it a 6.5 because of one problem right here on the inside, the ridges, 2, the lettering, and 3, the box. 3.5 goes for the box. So those are my deduction points for this. It did come with all the pieces. It did come with a nice little tray as far as for the packaging they do have. But, yeah. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm about to list it on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace right now, and we gonna put this shit in motion. Like I said, your boy is plugging y'all, bro. Let me unplug this shit. I'm plugging y'all, bro. I'm bringing y'all all the shit. You see, I got the colognes right there, bro. You know, we putting this shit in motion. I did y'all a Canada Goose review. I got more of those on the way, so hopefully they get here Monday. But, you know, we putting this shit in motion for y'all, bro. I told y'all I got y'all with everything y'all were, you feel me, wondering about. But that's the product, Dyson hairdryer, bro. If you want the vendor, DM me on IG. I will send you the direct link that I purchased from. Yeah, shipping dragged ass. I'm not gonna cap. It took about 3 weeks. 3 weeks. As you know, when shipping from overseas, especially China, shit usually takes 2 weeks. But you can sometimes get products in like 10 days, like with the Canada Goose for me. I don't know why shipping was so slow, but it was slow. Is this product worth it? Like I told you, I wouldn't pay. You feel me? Is the $400 one that's doing the exact same as this worth it? Hell nah, right? Just go get this shit. As long as it's not smoking and catching on fire, you could go get this shit. You feel me? I feel like the $450 one should be $50 max. You feel me? But this has good power. Y'all could play the clip back. I did unplug that shit, but y'all seen that shit blow the packaging everywhere. Like I said, I'm about to rewrap this in bubble wrap and just put it back in a box or just in a Ziploc bag. But once again, it's your boy Clout. I'm out. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That's pretty much it for this video. Turn on post notifications as well. As you see a boy coming with that sauce, I don't do no capping, bro. No capping. I just gave y'all a slight little review. I will leave or DM me on IG for that link. I gave y'all a cologne review too. That's about to drop. So just stay hip. And yeah, we gonna keep going from there. We gonna keep this shit in motion. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna stick this whole tray or just the hair dryer and the pieces in a plastic bag and then just flip it like that without the box. Only because the box has like Chinese writing and shit. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm out.